We think of the internet as a place we visit, but when an AI agent goes online, does it see the same world we do? This flowchart maps the human journey. A visual page loads, you scroll, click, and read. Developers built the web for this sequence, prioritizing striking color palettes and intuitive layout grids to guide the human eye. The human browsing experience relies entirely on surface-level design and aesthetics to communicate meaning. But the audience has shifted. Automated traffic now accounts for over 51%. A beautiful, expensive website that converts a human perfectly often renders as a confusing string of code or even a completely blank page to a machine. To survive the modern search landscape, website owners have to recognize a simple reality. AI agents do not act like human visitors. Building exclusively for the human eye means actively hiding your business from more than half of the internet. Instead of browsing, AI agents follow a distinct pipeline: user query, retrieve information, process, evaluate, and generate an answer. In these middle stages, they aren't looking at colors or fonts, they evaluate raw structural data. Notice what's missing. The AI completely skips visual page rendering, scrolling, and clicking around layouts. Agents are not viewers taking in a design, they are evaluators extracting pure data. So if they can't see the design, what exactly are they reading? They parse structural hierarchy and machine-readable code. Their primary tool is something called the accessibility tree. It's a stripped-down structural map that browsers generate to identify a page's interactive elements, like buttons and links. Different AI platforms use various methods, like search indexes or specific browser APIs, but they all depend strictly on what their tools can access. Let's look at a practical example. A standard website drop-down menu containing a business's operating hours. A human instantly recognizes the familiar shape of the drop-down menu, clicks the small arrow, and immediately reads the correct answer. But if that menu is built with generic code containers, lacking semantic HTML labels or schema markup to define what it actually is, that FAQ is completely invisible to an AI agent's logic tree. This highlights the technical reality of the machine-readable web. If information isn't defined in the structural code, an AI agent simply skips it. A website's true value to a machine is determined entirely by the clarity of its underlying structure, not its visual appeal. These two separate pipelines lead us to a new reality. Modern websites must serve both audiences simultaneously, pulling from the exact same URL. You can no longer choose between a visually appealing site for people and a structurally sound one for bots. Both are mandatory. Historically, search engine optimization, or SEO, focused on driving human traffic to a visual page by leveraging keywords and backlinks. Now, developers have to incorporate generative engine optimization, or GEO. GEO focuses heavily on the AI pipeline, ensuring that agents can seamlessly discover, retrieve, and understand your site's information to construct their own answers. This typographic rule spells out modern website survival. Optimization must consider both humans and machines side by side. Failing to optimize for both pipelines means mincing your competitive relevance as the internet evolves. The internet is shifting from a purely visual medium into a dual-purpose data structure. Search success now requires a dual approach: maintaining page rankings for humans while providing structured data that AI systems can reliably process. To ensure your digital presence is ready for the agentic web, visit Geo SEO Lab at www.geoseolab.com.